Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fire TV Expert. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Anilili on your FireStick using the latest working downloader code with the new FireStick interface. If you're looking for a simple and easy-to-use app for discovering anime and other entertainment, this guide will take you through everything step by step. I'll show you how to find downloader, enable the required permission, enter the Anilili code, and install the app properly on your FireStick. Plus, I'll also cover some of its useful features and explain why I won't be opening the app fully due to YouTube policy guidelines. So, let's jump in and get started. From your FireStick home screen, move to the top, then move right and select Search. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your remote supports voice commands, you can simply say downloader and the app will appear. Once downloader shows up in the search results, move to the right and select it. Now, click on the orange downloader icon and press the download button using the center button on your remote. Give it a few seconds to install. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection. After downloader is installed, we need to allow it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Go back to the home screen, move to the left and select the bar, then scroll down and select Settings. Now scroll right and click on My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry. Click on About, then press your FireStick name 7 times until you see a message confirming that developer options are enabled. Press the back button, open developer options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using a FireStick 4K Max or a newer Fire TV device, the layout may look slightly different. In that case, just make sure permission is enabled for the downloader app. Once that's done, your device is ready to install third-party apps safely. Now that everything is set up, let's open downloader. Go back to the home screen. Scroll down and find the downloader and open it. When you launch it for the first time, allow the required permissions and click OK. Before we install Anilili, let me quickly tell you why you might want to check out this app. Anilili is designed with anime fans in mind, providing a simple interface for browsing and discovering anime titles. The layout is designed to be easy to navigate, making it convenient to move through the available sections and find something interesting to watch. The app also provides a TV-friendly experience, so navigating with your FireStick remote is simple and straightforward. Now we're ready for the installation. Click on the search bar by pressing the center button to bring up the keyboard. Now enter the Anilili downloader code exactly as shown, 4495218. After entering the code, click Go. The Anilili download page will now load on your FireStick. Once the page opens, the app will automatically begin downloading. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, click Install. Give your FireStick a few moments while Anilili installs completely. After installation is finished, click Done, then delete the APK file to free up storage space. Select Delete and confirm Delete again. Now before opening the app, I highly recommend using a VPN. Using a VPN helps protect your privacy, keeps your connection secure, and can help avoid region-related access issues. I personally recommend NordVPN. NordVPN allows you to change your virtual location, protects your streaming activity, and helps prevent tracking or throttling from your internet provider. To install NordVPN, go back to the search option, type NordVPN, and download it directly from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open NordVPN, sign in, and connect to a secure server before using third-party apps. You'll find the NordVPN link in the video description. If you'd like to check it out, feel free to use the link below. Now, let's take a look at Anilili. Go back to the home screen and scroll down to the bottom of the list. You'll find Anilili there. Now, I won't be opening the app fully in this video due to YouTube policies and to avoid any potential strikes. However, I can give you an overview of its interface and features. Anilili offers a clean and straightforward interface designed for browsing anime content. The layout makes it easy to move through the available sections, discover different titles, and search for content without unnecessary steps. The app is designed for larger screens, and navigation works smoothly with the FireStick remote. And that's it. You've successfully installed Anilili on your FireStick using the latest downloader code and the new FireStick interface. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Fire TV Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss future FireStick tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.